Hi students, good morning to everyone. In previous class, I have explained very clearly in what is hybridization, how to find any molecule of hybridization. I already given some of the examples of hybridization. But today class, I have to explain how to find hybridization of molecules of cations or anions. Let us start our discussion. Find the hybridization of molecules of cations or anions. The seventh example is ammonium cation, NH4 plus. In ammonium cation, the valency of the nitrogen 5 and the valency of hydrogen is 4 into 1 4, and loss of 1 electron. Loss of 1 electron means minus 1. Finally 5 plus 4 minus 1. What is the valency electrons is coming? 8. The total valency electrons of the NH4 plus 8 valency electrons. The 8 valency electrons in the range of 0 to 8 valency electrons. 0 to 8 valency electrons is coming. The 8 valency electrons are divided by 2. 2 4s are 8. The 4 indicates bond pair. The 0 indicates lone pairs. The hybrid diameters are 4 bond pairs, 0 lone pairs. 4 hybrid diameters is indicates sp3 hybridization. The ammonium cation NH4 plus cation indicates or undergoes sp3 hybridization. Sulfate anion SO4 2 minus. In SO4 2 minus, the sulfur valency state 6. The oxygen valency state 6 into 4, 24. How many gaining of electrons here? 2. The gaining means addition, so plus 2. The total valence electrons are 32. The 32 valence electrons are divided by 8. 8 4s are 32. The 4 indicates bond pairs. The 0 indicates lone pairs. The hybrid diameters are equal totally 4 hybrid diameters. The 4 hybrid diameters indicates sp3 hybridization. The sulfate anion, which type of hybridization? sp3 hybridization. Next molecule, carbonate anion, CO3 2 minus. Carbon valency 4 and oxygen valency 6 into 3 18. The number of gaining electrons 2. Totally valence electrons are 24. The 24 valence electrons are divided by 8. 8 3s are 24. 3 bond pairs, 0 lone pairs. The number of hybrid diameters is totally 3 hybrid diameters. The 3 hybrid diameters undergoes sp3 indicates the 3 hybrid diameters indicates sp2 hybridization. In carbonate anion undergoes sp2 hybridization. 10th molecule NO3 minus. Nitrogen valency 5, oxygen valency 6 into 3 18. The number of gaining electrons 1. The total valence electrons are 24. The 24 valence electrons are divided by 8. 8 3s are 24. 24. 3 indicates bond pairs. 0 indicates lone pairs. The total hybrid diameters are 3 plus 0 equal to 3. 3 hybrid diameters indicates sp2 hybridization. In NO3 minus, which type of hybridization? sp2 hybridization. Next molecule, I3 minus. In I3 minus, iodine valency state 7 into 3. How many number of gaining electrons here? 1. So plus 1. The total valence electrons are 22. 22 valence electrons of I3 minus. 22 valence electrons are divided by 8. 8 2s are 16. The remainder indicates 6. The remainder indicates 6 means 3 lone pairs. 3 lone pairs. Each lone pair having 2 electrons. 3 into 2 6. The remainder 6 is coming. 3 lone indicates 3 lone pairs. 2 bond pairs. 3 lone pairs, 2 bond pairs. Total number of hybrid diameters 5. 5 hybrid diameters are Which type of hybridization? sp3d hybridization. I3 minus which type of hybridization? sp3d hybridization. And next molecule, 12th molecule, ICl2 plus. The valency of the iodine 7, the valency of the chlorine 7, 7 into 2, 14. Here losing of electron, the number of losing of electrons 1. That's why minus 1. The final valency, the total valence electrons are 20. The 20 valence electrons are divided by 8. 8 2s are 16. The 2 indicates bond pairs. The 4 indicates remainder. 4 remainder means 2 lone pairs. The hybrid orbitals are 2 bond pairs, 2 lone pairs. How many number of hybrid orbitals? 4. So which type of hybridization? sp3 hybridization. In ICl2 plus, which type of hybridization? sp3 hybridization. Next molecule, sulfur tetrafluoride. In sulfur tetrafluoride, the sulfur valence is 6 and fluorine valence is 7. Force fluorine valence 4 into 7, 28. 4 into 7, 28. Finally, the total number of valence electrons are 34. 34 valence electrons are divided by 8. 8 4s are 32. The 4 indicates bond pairs. The 2 indicates, the remainder 2 indicates one lone pair. Bond pair and lone pair. Total how many hybrid orbitals? 5. The 5 indicates sp3d hybridization. SF4 sulfur tetrafluoride undergoes sp3d hybridization. 14th molecule, bromine pentafluoride. In bromine pentafluoride, bromine indicates 7. What is the bromine valency? 7. Fluorine valency 7. But how many fluorines here? 5 fluorines. 5 into 7, 35. The number of valence electrons are totally 42. 42 valence electrons are divided by 8. 8 5s are 40. The 5 bond pairs. But the remainder 2 indicates one lone pair. 5 bond pairs, 1 lone pair. Totally 6 hybrid orbitals. The 6 hybrid orbitals indicates sp3d2 hybridization. Bromine pentafluoride undergoes sp3d2 hybridization. Next compound, xenon tetrafluoride. Xenon valency 8 and fluorine valency 7. The total number of valence electrons equal to 36 valence electrons. In 36 valence electrons divided by 8. 8 4s are 32. 4 indicates bond pairs. The remainder 4 indicates 2 lone pairs. The hybrid orbitals 4 bond pairs, 2 lone pairs. Totally 6 hybrid orbitals. 6 hybrid orbitals is a sp3d2 hybridization. Xenon F4 is a sp3d2 hybridization. Xenon difluoride, xenon F2. The total number of valence electrons equal to 22. 22 valence electrons divided by 2. 8 2s are 16. 2 indicates bond pairs. 6 indicates 3 lone pairs. The remainder indicates 3 lone pairs. 6. The remainder of 6 indicates 3 lone pairs. The hybrid orbitals 2 bond pairs plus 3 lone pairs. Totally 5 hybrid orbitals. What type of hybridization? sp3d hybridization. Xenon F2 is a sp3d hybridization. Xenon F6. In xenon F6, the total number of valence electrons equal to 50. In 50 valence electrons are divided by 8. 8 6 are 48. So remainder is 2. 6 is the divider. The 6 indicates bond pairs. The 2 indicates, the remainder 2 indicates one lone pair. Totally how many hybrid orbitals? 6 bond pairs, 1 lone pair. Total 7 hybrid orbitals. What type of hybridization? sp3d2 hybridization. Xenon O3, xenon trioxide. In xenon trioxide, total valence electrons? 26 valence electrons. In 26 valence electrons divided by 8, 8 3s are 24. the 3 indicates bond pairs, the remainder 2 indicates one lone pair. The hybrid orbitals 3 bond pairs, 1 lone pair. Totally how many hybrid orbitals? 4. The 4 hybrid orbitals is a sp3 hybridization. Xenon tetroxide. The total number of valence electrons are 32 valence electrons. The 32 valence electrons are divided by 8. 8 4 is 32. 0 is the remainder. 4 is the divider. The 4 indicates bond pairs. 0 indicates lone pairs. Total how many hybrid orbitals? 4 bond pairs, 0 lone pairs. 4 plus 0, 4. 4 hybrid orbitals is known as sp3 hybridization. Xenon oxydifluoride. Xenon OF2. The total number of valence electrons 28. 28 electrons are divided by 8. 8 3s are 24. 3 bond pairs and 2 lone pairs. The remainder 4 indicates 2 lone pairs. The hybrid orbitals are 3 bond pairs, 2 lone pairs. Total how many hybrid orbitals? 5. The 5 hybrid orbitals is a sp3d hybridization. Xenon oxydifluoride is a sp3d hybridization. Let us discuss some previous questions of hybridization topic. The first question, the ion that has sp3d2 hybridization for the central atom is. This question from JEE Mains 2019. In given 4 options, which ion is sp3d2 hybridization? Option A, ICl2 minus. In ICl2 minus, total number of valence electrons 22. 22 valence electrons are divided by 8. 2 bond pairs, 3 lone pairs. Total how many hybrid orbitals? 5 hybrid orbitals. The 5 hybrid orbitals sp3d hybridization. So option A, in ICl2 minus, what type of hybridization? sp3d hybridization. Option B, BrF2 minus. In BrF2 minus, total number of valence electrons 22. The 22 valence electrons are divided by 8. 2 bond pairs, 3 lone pairs. 2 bond pairs, 3 lone pairs. How many hybrid orbitals? 5. The 5 hybrid orbitals sp3d hybridization. So B option is, B is the sp3d hybridization. sp3d hybridization. Option C, ICl4 minus. In ICl4 minus, iodine 7, iodine valence is 7, chlorine valence is 74, plus gaining of electron plus 1. Total how many valence electrons? 36 valence electrons. In 36 valence electrons divided by 8. So 4 bond pairs, 4 indicates bond pairs, and 4 lone, that is 4 remainder 4 is 2 lone pairs. 4 bond pairs, 2 lone pairs. Totally how many hybrid orbitals? 6 hybrid orbitals. 6 hybrid orbitals, sp3d2 hybridization. In option C, ICl4 minus is a which type of hybridization? sp3d2 hybridization. In option D, IF6 minus. IF6 minus, how many valence electrons? 50. 50 divided by 8. So 6 bond pairs and 1 lone pair. Total how many hybrid orbitals? 7 hybrid orbitals. What type of hybridization? sp3d3 hybridization. In the given question, which type of ion? What type of ion? sp3 hybridization. So ICl4 minus is the undergoes. This ion is undergoes sp3d2 hybridization. Option C is correct. Option C is correct. Option C. Option C is correct. Option C. So remaining A is the sp3 A option sp3d hybridization. B is the sp3d hybridization, and C option is sp3d2 hybridization. C option is correct. Question number 2. The number of bond pairs of I3 minus is. This question from JEE Mains 2018 year. So first of all, calculate the valence electron I3 minus 22 valence electrons. 22 valence electron divided by 8. 8 2s are. So what is the remainder? 6. 2 indicates bond pair. How many bond pairs indicated? 2 bond pairs. What is the option? Number of bond pairs in the I3 minus? Option A is the correct. The hybridization of nitrogen atom in NO3 minus, NO2 plus, NH4 plus. In NaO3 minus, the total number of valence electrons are 24. 24 valence electron divided by 8. 3 bond pairs, 0 lone pairs. 3 hybrid iodines formed. 3 hybrid iodines are sp2 hybridization. In NO2 plus, the total number of valence electrons are 16. 16 divided by 8. 2 bond pairs, 0 lone pairs. 2 plus 0 equal 2 hybrid iodines. 2 hybrid iodines is a sp hybridization. NH4 plus, the total number of valence electrons are 8. 8 divided by 2. 4 bond pairs, 0 lone pairs. 4 hybrid iodines is known as sp3 hybridization. In the given question, the hybridization of nitrogen atom is in NO3 minus is a sp2 hybridization, and NO2 plus is a sp hybridization, NH4 plus is a sp3 hybridization. So what is the given option? What is the option? sp2, sp2, sp, sp3. So B option is the correct option. sp2, sp, sp3. B option is the correct option. Next, fourth question. The sp hybridization of nitrogen atom is in the given 4 options. A option NO3 minus is a sp2 hybridization. B is a sp hybridization. How it is formed? Sp hybridization. Total number of valence electrons are 16. 16 divided by 8 electrons. 8. 16 divided by 8. 8 2 is 16. 2 is the bond pair. 0 is the lone pair. 2 hybrid iodines form sp hybridization. So NO2 plus is a sp hybridization. In NO3 plus is a the total valence electron 22. The 22 valence electrons divided by 8. 2 bond pairs, 3 lone pairs. Totally 5 hybrid iodines sp3d hybridization. In the given question, the sp hybridization of nitrogen atom, sp hybridization in the NO2 plus, B option is the correct. Next, fifth question. Which has 3 bond pairs, 1 lone pair around the central atom? In BeCl2, the number of valence electrons 16. 16 valence electrons are divided by 2. So 2 bond pairs, 0 lone pairs, that indicate 2 here BeCl2, 2 bond pairs, 0 lone pairs. In B option, BF3, 24 valence electrons, the 24 valence electrons are divided by 8, 3 bond pairs, 0 lone pairs. NH2 minus, in option C, NH2 minus, the total number of valence electrons 8, only 4 bond pairs, 0 lone pairs. Option D, PCl3, phosphorus trichloride. The 26 electrons, valence electrons divided by 8, 3 bond pairs, 1 lone pair. In the given option, 3 bond pairs, 1 lone pair of the central atom. Which option is correct? D option. D option is correct.